Hello, and welcome to the game that I created called Globify. I decided to go the fun and exciting and creative route, and a little disclaimer that if I were actually to create this game, I would definitely need to really modify my idea. I definitely put down all of my brainstorm. This is more like a brain dump. So, without further ado, oh, sorry about that. Evolution and outline. So, the purpose of this game is to build a map of the world by collecting and capturing all countries and continents. So each player is going to start at the same neutral point, same level within the United States. Now, to make it even more exciting, you could use location settings on your phone or device and start within the country or continent that you will actually live within. So for me, I would start in North America, in the United States, in New York, because that is where I'm from. So you all start at the same level of the area that you know. You're then going to explore all 50 states individually. Okay, so if someone were to start in Europe first, they would have to explore all the countries in their area. Now, in order to capture and win every state, you will be asked different trivia questions. These could range between naming the capitals of certain states, naming important landmarks, maybe even important people, climate, natural resources. So it acts as a knowledge quiz. Then you have the chance to level up by capturing the entire continent. Obviously, you need to go up. So you need to start at states, and then you capture the United States, and then you have the chance to go to South America. So when you want to capture an entire continent, you'll be asked to go on a mission. And my idea is to make this mission a problem-solving, real-life need. Or, for example, maybe they just take a basic quiz, or they have a chance to figure out a way to preserve natural resources in that area, or coming up with ideas on how to eliminate pollution in the area. So kind of customizable, where they have the choice to decide what mission they want to take. So my core loop is to conquer each continent. So that's the utmost goal. And for me, how exciting. I thought this, for me, I love to travel, and I thought this was a great idea because you get that excitement where you want to be able to control and decide what countries and continents you want to explore. So once a continent is captured and their mission is completed, they unlock a new continent that they can explore. Now, they'll be given 3 chances to unlock the continent before they have to go back and start over again to master that area. Now, it can be customizable as well here, so you get the choice of how you want to explore that country. Maybe you want to decide to eat around the world, eat around that country. Or you can act as an exchange student and shadow and actually live in certain parts. Or maybe you're working in local businesses, so you get to choose. It kind of acts like a sub-level. So you get to choose how you want to go back and relearn so that you can take the mission again. So this way, it keeps people from getting bored, not wanting, of course, you don't want to go through the same thing again. You want to be able to keep that drive and determination, motivation up. So I thought it would be fun if you do have to retry the level to do it in a different way of your choice. Now, limited resources. To conquer a continent, you actually are given new resources in that continent. Then you can trade resources in order to earn specific points. So, maybe the points will help you conquer that country quicker, and maybe even uh, the amount of resources you're able to obtain, it then gives you the choice. So you get a list of different country options that you get to choose, and select where you want to go next. So as you get up the levels, you have the choice of where you want to go next. Okay, so you get to choose where you want to start. Now, ownership. Every player is able to customize their own character. And the exciting part, I thought, was having a chance to either change the character every continent or country that you go to, or you can re-accessorize based on the resources that you get. And I thought it would be even a way to diversify and really immerse yourself in the country by only being able to wear, the fashion of that area or supplies that you're able to get in that area. So I thought it would be really neat. So they'd be able to get the choice to customize and accessorize. Who doesn't want to do that? So last but not least is integrating social. Players have the chance to interact with other people, so this can also be a way to hook to your Wi-Fi and treat it like an, internet worldwide game where you're connecting with people who are playing the game at the same time. And this way you can team up together. You can ask for help, so you could be meeting people from around the area or from around the world that know the country or are familiar with the country that you're exploring. So you can ask for help, you can invite people to explore with you, and you can even have the chance to work together as a team. So ultimately, this is kind of like the game Risk meets like a little bit of the Oregon Trail.